Let's go. Wait. Hold up, Q.
Feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actors. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics.
Hey, this is Anthony from Dancer, and today we're at Norwell High School to show you guys our pool deck finish and our pool coating system.
I heard while you guys were grinding and reshaping this whole pool and putting down new epoxy, you slipped down the steep slope.
Help! My leg!
You all right, but when you're down there for 3 weeks, just grinding away and shaping this pool, and then 2 more weeks coating it with hundreds of gallons of epoxy, stuff happens.
Speaking of slipping, there's no slipping on this pool deck system you use, right?
When we first came in, it was all covered in 1-inch tile, so we had to grind that down, recoat it, put our pool deck finish on it. It's perfect for this space because it's slip resistant and durable. If you want to come take a look at our TreadWell Pool Deck Plus system right here. Any shiny spot you see is water because this is specifically designed to have a flat finish so you can identify water spots. And in the top coat, we spritz the grit in here so it's slip resistant around the whole pool deck. If you're looking to get a pool deck done, Dancer is a perfect fit. We've been around the region. We've been to Kokomo, Rochester, Decatur, and now here. Dancer can get it done.
Without slipping?
Non-slip, anti-slip.
This isn't slippery at all. Look, I can run. I can run on this TreadWell Pool Deck Plus.
This my confidence. Yeah, that's right. No downplaying my accomplishments. You call me arrogant, I take it as a compliment. Like the